Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Coding Cart. So in this session we'll try to solve one algorithm problem. So you can see here the problem is max min and it's under the greedy section. So let me first explain this problem in simple way what they are saying. So here you will be given two values. One is array and another is k value. Suppose I'm taking an array, for example, suppose array having value 1, 4, 7 and 2. And you will be given a k value, suppose k equal to 2. So what we have to do here, we have to make a sub array of size 2. So for example, few sub array will be like 1 comma 4 of size 2, another will be suppose 1 7, another will be suppose 1 2. Let me take few example, like another will be 4 7, another will be 4 2, and suppose 1 7. Let it be here this much only. So what we have to do here, we have to calculate the max of sub array minus minimum of sub array. So we have to calculate max of sub array minus minimum of sub array. So this is my sub array of size 2. So applying this formula, I will be getting the value here 4 minus 1. Here maximum is 4 and minimum is 1. So I will be getting here 3. Here I will be getting max minus min as 6. Here 1. Here I will be getting 3. And here I will be getting 2. So what we have to do here, we have to calculate the minimum among all these calculated value. So here my minimum is 3. Here is 6. Here is 1. Here is 3 and here is 2. So among all these calculated value, my minimum value is 1. So I have to return answer as 1. So this is the problem. Means you will be provided an array and one k value, and we have to calculate the sub array of length 2, and from that sub array we have to apply this formula, and we have to find the minimum among all the calculated value. So you can see here 1 is the minimum, so we have to return 1. So this is the problem. So let me take one more example. Suppose my array is having value. Suppose my array is having value, suppose 10, 100, suppose 300, 200, suppose 1000, 20, 30. So suppose this is my array. Suppose I am given a k value as suppose 3. Suppose k is 3. So few of the sub array will be, suppose I am taking a sub array of size 3. So one will be suppose 10, 100, suppose 300. Let me take few. Another suppose 100, 300, 200. Another suppose 300, 200, suppose 1000. Another suppose one more 10, 20 and 30. There will be many more. Let me take only few. Suppose one is 1000, 20 and 30. So if we apply this formula, max of sub array minus min of sub array, so here my answer will be max is 300 and minimum is 10. So I will be getting a value of 290. Here I will be getting maximum is 300 and minimum is 100. So I will be getting answer as 200 here. Here maximum is 1000 and minimum is 200. So I will be getting here 800. Here the maximum is 30 and minimum is 10. So 30 minus 10, I will be getting here 20 as answer. And here you can see here maximum is 1000 and minimum is 20. So I will be getting 980 as answer. So among all this calculated value, you can see here my minimum value is 20. So I have to return the minimum one. So answer is 20. So this is the problem here. So what we have to do here, we have to complete this function max min. So they are providing one array and one k value. So input format is, the very first line is the total elements. Here 5 means 5 elements, and the second line is the k value, and these are the elements, 5 elements. So let us try to solve this. So the approach will be, so the approach is, the very first thing is we will simply sort this array. The very first thing is we will simply sort the array. So for example, Suppose for example I'm taking one array as suppose 10, 20, suppose 30, 40, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, suppose 200 and suppose 100. Suppose this is my array. So and k value is, suppose this is my array and suppose k value is 4. So the very first thing is we will sort this array. So after sorting, my array will look like having value 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 and 200. So what we did here, we sorted this array. First is sort the array. So second thing is we'll take two pointer here. One is I and one is j. So I will be assigned to the very first initial value and j will be the kth element. Here k is 4. So you can see here my indexing is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let it be. So I is at the very first element, I is here and j will be at the kth element. So k is 4 means k minus 1. So k minus 1 will be here, 4 minus 1 will be 3. So j will be here. So one pointer is here. Let me change the color here. So one pointer is here, one pointer is here and another pointer is here, such that the difference is 4. You can see here. So what we will do, as this is the sorted array, my minimum number will be present at array of I, correct, as this is the sorted array, and maximum value will be present at array of j, correct. You can see here I will be getting maximum over here and minimum at here. Now we'll simply get the value max minus mean, correct. And we'll take one variable, suppose one variable minimum, suppose m. We'll take one minimum variable and we'll simply update this minimum variable in each iteration. So in next iteration I will simply move forward. Suppose this was my 4, I will move forward, my j will be here and my I will be here. I will be going here, means I will simply adding 1 to j plus plus and I plus plus. So again my minimum at present at array of I, which is 2, and maximum is here, minimum is here and maximum is here. Again I will be getting a value here. So for the very first my max minus mean is how much? Initially max minus mean for the very first iteration I was getting 4 minus 1, which was having value 3. Now I have updated my m with this value. Now for the second one I will be getting the value as max is 4. For the second the max is 4 and the minimum is 2. So max minus mean I am getting here value as 2. So I will simply apply a formula. I will be getting a, I will write a formula like, I will simply apply a formula, get me the minimum of the m and max of the array minus mean of the array, I will simply update the m each time. I will simply update my m each time in each iteration. So initially my m is having value 3. So 3. Now my max minus mean value is 2 here. So I have to calculate the max is here 4 minus mean is 2 here. Now I have to take the minimum among this previous m and current m. So minimum among this 3 and 2, which is 2. So again my this m will be updated with, initially my m was updated with 3. Now it will be updated with 2. Now we will move forward. Now this is my I and my j is here. So you can see here max is 10 and minimum is 7. So max minus min will be here, minimum is 3. So max minus min is here 7. So I have to take the minimum among the max, this m and max minus min. Max is here how much? M is having value here 2 and max is having value here 10 and minimum is having value 3. So I have to take the minimum among these. So 2, 7. Again my minimum is only 2, so 2 will remain same. Similarly we move forward. Simply move forward. I will move here, J will move here till the J reaches the end. And each time my M is getting updated. And at last we will simply return my M value. At last M will be updated with the minimum value. I will simply return this M. Correct? So let me write the code. So the very first thing is we will simply sort the array. Let me zoom this one. The very first approach is we will simply sort the array. Now we are done. We will take two pointer I and j. So I and one is j. So now let me initialize I equal to -1 and j with value j equal to k minus 2. So let me explain why I -1 and j k minus 2. Suppose this is my array. Suppose my array is 1, 2, 3, 4, suppose 5, 10, 90. Suppose this is my array and my k equal to suppose 4. So what I will do, my indexing is from 0, 1, 2, 3, correct? So initially my I should be present here at this element and j should be present here, correct? But I am initializing I here and j here instead of initializing at the correct position, means k at k minus 2, such that after entering in the iteration phase I will simply update with I equal to I plus 1 such that I will move at its correct position and j equal to j plus 1. So j will be at its correct position. So you will get here. Let me write and let me take one minimum value. Minimum equal to, so let me initialize with the max. Let me initialize with the max among all the values which is present at the last. Now while j less than length of array -1. Now I will simply update my I value. I equal to 1 and j plus equal to 1. Now you can see here I got its correct position and j got its correct position. Initially I was away, so I got its correct position as 0 and j got its correct position as 3 at index 3. Now here it is clear why I have taken this one, means I have simply initialized this one. Now we will take the maximum among the subarray. So max of subarray will be present at, maximum is present at array of j. Maximum is present at the j value at j and minimum is present at array of I. And minimum of array is present at array of I. Now we got the max value and min value. Now our task is we will simply calculate the minimum among the m and max array minus min array, and we simply save it in a, we'll simply update the m value. So you can see here from this array only. Suppose this is my array. So let me delete this. So initially my aim is array of -1 means the maximum value. I have initialized aim with the maximum value such that while calculating the minimum, it will simply get deleted. Suppose this is my aim. Now I have to take the minimum among this aim value and max minus min. So for k equal to 4, I'll be taking only this because my I is here and j is here. So 4 minus 1, which is 203. So you can see here minimum is I have taken the highest value so such that it will take only the minimum in this function. So minimum is 3, so m will be updated with 3. Now we got the minimum, and this will iterate in a loop, and at last when j reaches the end will simply return my m value, return the m value. Now we are done. So let us try this with a sample input. So you can see here we are getting the correct answer as 3. So for this we are getting the correct answer as 3 for k equal to 4. So they have taken the sub array as 1 2 3 4. So here maximum from 1 2 3 4 is 4 and minimum from 1 2 3 4 is 1. So 4 minus 1 which is 3. So this is the sub array which is giving the correct answer means 3. So let us run and submit this code. So we are done with the sample test cases. Let me submit this code. So we are done with almost all the test cases. So congratulations, we are done with all the hidden test cases. So this was the problem in which we have to apply only this logic, how to initialize and how to take the minimum. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for